Songkran plays 2 games of badminton. Each time he plays a game of badminton, the probability to win is 4/9. Draw a probability tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes of winning and not winning after playing 2 consecutive games of badminton. Calculate the probability of winning at least 1 game of badminton after playing 2 consecutive games. So, drawing a tree diagram. The first game, second game. So the first game he could win or lose. The probability of winning is 4/9. The probability of losing is 5/9. If he wins the first game, then he could win the second game or lose the second game. This means not winning. Again, that's 4/9 and 5/9. If he loses the first game, then he can win the second game or lose the second game. To work out the probabilities, we need to multiply. So the probability of winning and winning will be 4/9 times 4/9, which is 16 out of 81. The probability of winning and not winning is 4/9 times 5/9, which is 20 out of 81. The probability of not winning and then winning is 5/9 times 4/9, which is 20 out of 81. And the probability of not winning and not winning is 5/9 times 5/9, which is 25 out of 81. You should check that these add up to 1. So now we need to use that diagram to calculate the probability of winning at least 1 game of badminton after playing 2 consecutive games. So, using the tree diagram, the probability of winning at least 1 game is always 1 minus the probability of winning none. You see, for example, here, and here, he will win at least 1 game. I know here he wins 2, but he wins at least 1 game of the 2. Here, he wins no games whatsoever. So it's always easier to find the probability at least 1. They're saying it's 1 minus the probability he doesn't win any, which is going to be 1 minus 25 out of 81, which is equal to 56 out of 81. Otherwise, you'd have to add up all these 3, and if there's more probabilities, it'd be quite a bit to add up. So this has been a video to show you how to draw a tree diagram, and then to find the probability of using that to find the probability of at least winning 1. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.